Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, the screen in this device is blacking out too fast for my liking. So let's enter the settings first of all. Now let me go back to the general list of the settings, and here we have to find the display. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down a little bit to find this option, Screen Timeout, and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and it is immediately marked. And after getting back, you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.